Here's the raw truth that nobody wants to hear. Most objections, you caused them. Your product didn't cause them. The prospect didn't cause them, but you. And today, I'm going to show you how elite salespeople make objections almost impossible. If you are getting hammered with objections at the end, it typically means that you have failed somewhere at the beginning. Objections, they are not problems. They are symptoms of poor discovery. Elite level sellers, they don't wait to dodge bullets at the close. Instead, they remove the gun altogether within the first 5 minutes. Here's the anti-objection blueprint that you have to follow during your discovery. It's comprised of 3 different layers. Layer number 1, situation. Don't ask the prospect, what's your current situation? That's lazy. Instead, ask them, walk me through the last time that you dealt with, and then insert the problem. Ask them, what did it cost you in time, energy, or money? Now you have real friction that you can measure. Layer number 2, pain and consequence. Don't ask them, hey, how big of a problem is that? Instead, ask them, what happens if this doesn't get fixed in another 3 to 6 months? Ask them, who else does this impact besides you? When you ask questions like this, now you have stakes, you have urgency, and you have emotion. Layer 3, alignment. This is critical. Don't ask them, would this be helpful? But instead ask them, based on everything you've just shared, how important is it to solve this now versus letting it linger for another 6 more months? You see, it's questions like these that kill the let me think about it smokescreen before it's ever born. But here's the psychological mic drop. Pay very close attention to what I'm about to say. If you say it, they will resist it. If they say it, they will defend it. This is something called the if-then loop. And it works like this. If they admit the pain, then explore the cost of doing nothing. If they acknowledge the risk, then align it to urgency and impact. Now they own the decision. In closing, most salespeople live in reaction mode. Elite salespeople, they live in prevention mode. Build your sales conversations so strong that objections have nowhere to live. Stop triggering resistance and start engineering agreement. If this video resonated with you on some level, I want you to comment agree. And if you haven't already done so, like this video and follow the Clever Closers channel so you can continue to learn sales psychology that will help you break through barriers and finally realize the success that you were meant to have in sales. Thank you for watching. My name is Greg. This is Clever Closers. And until next time, I'll see you guys on the next one.